This is Matthew with Black Tie Plumbing here at 1747 Blacksmith Drive in Dallas. Taking a look at the sanitary sewer, here we are at the end of the mainline run at a 90 at 67 foot for an end of the line clean out. We're going to pull back here. All this was tested. The sanitary sewer system was tested and held 100%. Here we are at a 3x2 wide to the left that has a short run of 3 foot and ends at a 90 at 67 foot. Services the master bathtub and shower. Continuing back here. Here we have a 3x2Y to the upper left. This services the master bath lavatories and utility room wash line. Here we have a 3-inch Y combo. Has a short run of 2 foot and ends at a 3-inch 90 for the master bath commode. Continuing back here. Again, the sanitary sewer system has been tested and all held 100%. Here at about 52 feet, we have a 45 to the left. And here at 50 foot, we have a 3x2Y to the right. That has a run of about 15 foot. At about 14 foot on that branch line, there's a 45. And then 2 foot down upstream of that is a 90. That services the kitchen sink. And here we have a 3-inch combo to the right. That services the hall bathroom. Here at about 33 foot, there's a 45 to the right. Continuing back. And here we are at the mainline cleanouts, and that'll conclude a look at the sanitary sewer here at 1747 Blacksmith Drive in Dallas, Texas.